Welcome to North Star. Tip Top Cleaning Supply carries a large number of different items in its inventory, giving the firm competitive advantage in its industry. Below is the part of Tip Top's budget for the first quarter of next year. Sales, cost of goods sold, and rent and salary expenses are given. Historically, all of the sales are on account, means all of the sales are on credit and made evenly over the quarter. 5% of the sales are determined to be uncollectible and written off. The balance of the receivables is collected in 50 days. This sales and collection experience is expected to continue in the first quarter. The projected balance sheet for the first day of the quarter includes the following account balances: cash balance, accounts receivable, net balance, inventory, and accounts payable balances are given. How much cash can Tip Top anticipate collecting in the first quarter based on a 360 days a year? Question looks simple, but it is a very smart question. You can mark it very important. To understand this question, first we need to break the 50 days collection. It says these details are given for one quarter and it says 360 days in a year. So one quarter is 90 days here in this question. Now it says the collections happen in 50 days. This is very important to understand and crack this question. Means if the sales has happened on the first day of the quarter, the collection will happen on 50 plus 1 on 51st day. If the sales has happened on second day of the quarter, the collection will happen within 50 days. So 50 plus 2, 52 days. Alright, 52 days from which day? 52 days from the first day of the quarter. If the sales has happened on 5th, it will be collected within 50 days. So it will be 50 plus 5, means within 55 days. In other words, if we continue, if the sales has happened on the 20th day of the quarter, collection will happen on 50 plus 20, means within 70 days. If the collection has happened on the 40th day of the quarter, the collection will happen on 50th plus 40 within 90 days. Means if the collection can happen within 90 days for 40th day sales, means only till 40th day sales collection will happen in that quarter. Means first, second, third, fourth till 40th day, whatever we have sold, collection will happen in that quarter. And any sales beyond 40th day, the collection will go to the next quarter. If you have understood this, now there is nothing more to be understood. Again, I will repeat, whatever sales you have done on the first day, collection will happen on 50th day plus first day, 51st day. Whatever you have sold on second, collection will happen on 50th plus 2, 52nd day, including 52nd, alright, including 52nd day. Whatever you have sold on the 40th day of the quarter, collection will happen on 50 plus 40 within the quarter, because the quarter has only 90 days. Now, in other words, we can say the first 40 days sales will be collected in that quarter only. Now, how to calculate 40 days sales? We have been given sales. How much? $855,000. This is how many days sales? This is 90 days sales. So we can calculate what is the 40 days sales. 40 days sales would be $855,000 divided by 90. When we do, we will get how many days sales? We will get 1 day sales multiplied by 40 days sales. We will get 40 days sales. So 855,000 divided by 90 multiplied by 40, $380,000. This must be collected, but 5% is uncollectible and bad debt. So we have to record the bad debt because this amount has not been collected during the period. Bad debt allowance or bad debt written off. How much is bad debt written off? 5%. So multiplied by 5%, 380,000 multiplied by 5%, this much money we will not be able to collect. sorry, it is $19,361,000. So $361,000 we will be collecting from the first quarter sales in that quarter itself. And in the previous quarter, we had $450,000 which was outstanding. This must be sales after the 40th day of the previous quarter. Means this should be collected in this quarter. How much? Entire amount should be collected in this quarter. Remember, it says net, means we are not going to further subtract allowance for bad debts here. So entire 450,000 shall be collected. Do not do a mistake of subtracting allowance for bad debt in this account, because it clearly says it is net amount here. So how much total collection will do? Accounts receivable for the previous quarter, net 450,000 plus 361,811,000. So the correct answer would be, let's look at options. Option A, $811,000. Mark this question important. Thank you.